Auction house RM Sotheby's recently held an event featuring items from a famous car collection known as the Junkyard. Among the highlights were 3 rare Lamborghini Miuras that had been sitting untouched for up to 46 years. In 1967, Rudy Klein started a scrapyard business in Los Angeles called Porsche Foreign Auto, which he reportedly misspelled intentionally without the S after Porsche threatened legal action. For decades, Klein kept his collection secret and closed it to the public with very few people allowed to enter. Klein passed away in 2001, and now the auction has revealed the contents of his mysterious collection. The auction included vehicles, engines, and car parts from various automakers such as Porsche, Mercedes-Benz, Ferrari, and Lamborghini. The 3 Lamborghini Miuras auctioned from Klein's collection were a 1967 P400, a 1968 P400, and a 1969 P400S. According to RM Sotheby's, the 1967 vehicle was the 53rd Miura ever made and sold for $610,000. The vehicle's history includes a title under a man in Baldwin Hills, California in 1979, an unspecified issue that rendered it non-operational in May 1980, Klein's acquisition a month later, and 44 years of sitting. It is not accompanied by an engine or gearbox. The 1968 Lamborghini Miura P400 served as the most expensive of the 3 and sold for $1.325 million. Specified for the Italian market, Lamborghini shipped this specific vehicle from its factory to a customer named Mr. Zampoli. RM Sotheby speculates this may have been Claudio Zampoli, a factory test engineer and driver. Zampoli imported Lamborghinis to Southern California, which could explain how this vehicle made it to Klein by 1978 and sat in storage for 46 years. The auction house said the vehicle still has its V12 engine. The 1969 Lamborghini Miura P400S sold for $967,500. First delivered in 1969, the vehicle suffered a front-end collision and has been off the road since 1978. It retains its original engine, chassis, and bodywork aside from the missing front clamshell and rocker panel trim. It is also believed to still have its original factory-provided paintwork and upholstery. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.